I try explain. Tell me no why you're none fear stress my brain. Me hex them, vex them, still a text and still a try fi explain. See me on the right, girl. Better take the left lane. Hex I try hex.
Well, everybody, it's your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. This is the fourth official, and all we do is talk about football. Morning, noon, and night. Eat, sleep, and drink football. What we're talking about is nothing but EPL, English Premier League. It's six pack of Manchester United, Arsenal, Tottenham, Chelsea, Liverpool, Man City. All the games, all the results. So we're looking forward to hearing from you guys. So bring it in, comment, share. Make sure you drop a like on the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel right down there, because we're going to talk about big stuff this year, big things happening. Make sure you bless yourself, bless up others, and don't forget, Manaz.